Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 21st to July the 23rd reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong um, ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo din sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Sino po? So nagla-live din po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live, then dito po sa comment section, pwede naman kayo magtanong. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, Leo. Virgo. I think that there will be some communication that's gonna happen in here. And I think that it's either you or your person is going to initiate it. It doesn't matter. But this is going to change the course of this connection. So I feel like medyo nararamdaman din natin, no, na parang gusto tayong kausapin, meron siyang gustong sabihin, kung ano man ito. I feel like this is something very emotional. It could also be a social event, no? So which means that this is not, I think that this is going to be, um, sabihin natin, invented by you, no? This is going to be created just for you, no? Um, I think that both of you are going to share this moment, this romantic moment. Um, but I feel like you are also trying not to um, expose your emotion, no? Although meron kang nararamdaman, it could be a confession of their love. It could be something that probably also kinakabahan ka, no? Tingnan nga natin kasi baka mag-preempt ako ng uh, situation dito with the Devil card, the Moon card, the Two of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Seven of Wands. So, may pa-suspense itong ating card. So, sabi niya, simulan mo muna yung kwento. Okay, simulan ko muna yung story. I feel like for a few numbers of you, you feel that walang patutunguhan tong relationship. No? Kasi, parang sabi dito, my person is controlling, you know, their emotion towards me. Ang hirap basahin ni person, no? To a point na parang sinasabi mo or tinatanong mo, mahal ba ako ng taong to? 'Di ba? Kasi nagdadalawang isip ko with the two of pentacles na parang nagbago yung kanyang nanlamig siya, no, for a little while. I think that you're trying to figure out the thoughts, the emotion ng person mo. With the Devil card in here, clarified by the Three of Wands and the Five of Cups. So for a few numbers of you nagkaroon na nga ng separation, whether it is physical or energetic, no? And somehow you felt, sayang yung ano, no? Sayang yung mga time, yung effort na ibinigay ko dito sa person na to. Of all the people, no, ako pa yung maloloko kasi Virgo, I felt like, yun super nag-overthink ka na kasi with the moon card in here. Ano yung ginawa kong kasalanan, no? Yun yung parang tanong eh, meron ba akong ginawang masama dito sa taong to? Bakit ganun na lang ang kanyang um, pagka, um, paano ko ba sasabihin? Bakit ganun na lang ang kanyang parang pagkawalang hiya sa akin, no? There's no lighter ways for me to say it. With the Four of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Bakit parang meron din ditong ibang ghosting? Or bigla na lang naging madamot si person ng kanyang time, energy, effort, yung sarili niya mismo. So parang tinatanong mo yung sarili mo, nakahanap ba siya ng iba? Am I really in a competition with someone else? No? Or pwedeng sabihin natin, are those reasons are just reason or alibis which parang wala namang proof, no? Baka gumagawa lang siya ng dahilan, no? Bakit hindi siya masyadong nakikipag-usap ngayon, nagpapakita, no? Kasi there's something in here na parang yung gut feeling mo, no? Sinasabi na iniiwasan ka ni person. With the Justice card, the Seven of Cups, the Strength card, the Five, the Eight of Cups, and the Princess of Pentacles. So it felt like ikaw na mismo ang lumayo. Ikaw na mismo yung tumahimik, no? Parang sinabi natin dito, kesa pagsimulan to ng gulo, pagsimulan to ng away, or another discussions, no? I think might as well, it's much better for me to just stay silent. So, nagkaroon kayo ng mirroring energy when it comes to depriving each other persons their abundance, no? So, ikaw, nagtago ka din. Kumbaga, tinago mo din yung emotions mo, no? Kung dating vocal ka ng pagsasabi, ngayon parang, it won't matter naman. No, kasi kapag nagsalita ako hindi rin naman niya papakinggan. Parang labas dito, labas ano, pasok dito, labas sa kabila. So what's the sense? Sayang lang din naman yung laway ko, 'di ba? So it kind of make me feel that you are also with the Seven of Cups. There's a lot of ways na you did tried for the other person to understand, no, yung nararamdaman mo. Pero ngayon parang with the Strength card ayoko ng pilitin magsalita siya. Kung sasabihin niya, kung makikipag-usap siya. With the Star in here and the Queen of Pentacles, I think masyado nating na-spoiled, no? Itong si person when it comes to giving our energies. Parang feeling ko dito masyadong naging kampante because of your generosity, Virgo. Pero but I believe pero but that's redundant. I think that you are with the Strength card, taking your power back. With the Sun and the Six of Cups. So I think that your person also realizes yung ginagawa mo. I think that your person also somehow thought of um like kulang din yata ako. May mga pagkukulang ako. Namimiss ko rin si person ko. With the Princess of Pentacles in here, kind of make me feel that your person is also checking up on you, keeping tabs on you. Namimiss ka na rin ni person, no? I believe itong sinasabi kong it could be a date. Yung kanina, no, when I just started the reading, it could be a date for the both of you. And I believe that you're gonna receive some good news in here. Uh, whatever it is that you probably thinking, especially when it comes to fixing the connection, I feel like it is going to happen because the communication here is gonna be real, no, real as fuck, no. I've been fighting a battle I can't win. This is probably your side of story, no. Um, pilit kong ipinaglalaban itong relasyon na parang feeling ko hindi naman ako mananalo. So, what's the sense of me putting effort, no? And the connection. You light up my world. So, it kind of make me also feels like there is a realization from your person telling you, yeah, this is it. I feel like life isn't that bright or lively without you. So I think that this separation really needs to happen for the both of you understand, the value of each other. So Hi, I'm seeing reconciliation in here, no? Virgo. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces. I'm seeing Taurus, Aquarius, Libra. Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo. I am seeing a Capricorn, Sagittarius, Capricornia, Leo. Yep, so that is your reading, Virgo. So this is your readings para po sa mga bago. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, nagla-live din tayo doon, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi niyo naman maabutan yung live, pwede kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website, no? Sa website po nandun po lahat ng information, the how much per question. Nandun po yung QR codes, modes of payment, the number, the name that you can probably um, compare, no? So I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. Kung gusto niyo po ng private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So this is your reading, Virgo. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.